So one of the things that you can do using Microsoft Power Pages is create out text using AI as well. So to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go ahead and add a section right here. And let me just go around and choose a component. And then right here, I'm going to go ahead and then add in text. So around over here in text, I can go ahead and normally type in, but I can create, I can generate a text as I want by using Copilot as well. So for that, you can simply click on Copilot, and then let's say, for example, I can say explain how YouTube channel has over 9,000 video tutorials that you can access for free related to general computing and multimedia right here, just like this. So I can simply go ahead and hit the send button, and then it creates out the text for me right here, just like this. You can go ahead and change the tone as well. For example, it can be more educational or more excited. So let's just go around and make it more excited right here, just like this. Then you get a more excited tone, and you can go ahead and make it longer as you want right here, just like this as well. So it's longer, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and rewrite it out as well if you want as well, or click on replace text to go ahead and add it in. And this is the AI generated text that I have. So it says YouTube is thrilled to bring you over 9,000 free video tutorials packed with exciting insights into general computing and multimedia. Our extensive library covers a wide range of topics designed to help you master essential skills at your own pace. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your expertise, start exploring today and unlock your full potential with our engaging and comprehensive tutorials. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can go ahead and create out text using AI in Microsoft Power Pages. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.